Now she's inside, set to go now, race number 7. Horses out, Sharp Ever, Smart Winner on the outside, Cassidy. Then followed by Michika, Matang Tubig, Camry, and Stanilo is the elite. Smart Winner, Cassidy is on the outside, second, Sharp as Ever in third. And racing in fourth, Michika, Matang Tubig, Stanilo, and Camry still racing in last. And that still is Smart Winner by about 2 lengths. Cassidy remains in second. Sharp as Ever in third. Matang Tubig in fourth. Michika in fifth. Then comes Tanino and Camry still racing in last. And that still is Smart Winner by about 2.5 lengths. Cassidy, Sharp as Ever, Matang Tubig, Michika, Tanino and Camry. Where is Smart Winner by about 3 lengths. Cassidy, here comes Sharp as Ever together with Michika. Smart Winner still the leader by about 3 lengths as they come down at the last of the day. Smart Winner by about 5 lengths. Sharp as Ever now moving up to take second. Smart Winner, Sharp as Ever is on the outside. Smart Winner, Sharp as Ever, and finally Smart Winner, Sharp as Ever. Then comes Michika, Cassidy, Stanino, Matang Tubig, and 6, Camry.
Ang ating pong unofficial winner for your penultimate race number 7, itong numero 5, na si Smart Winner. Masisegundo numero 3, Sharp as Ever, numero 1, Michika, and for your quartet, 4A, Cassidy. Ito po, balikan natin ang ating replay.